Okay, here we have the sports action camera, or sports camera. Obviously a GoPro knockoff. This was £13 on eBay. The postage kind of beat the box up. You get all the mounts, you get the case, everything for £13. Specifications: 1080p, 1920, yep, standard stuff. 1080p at 30 frames a second, super wide angle lens, 140 degrees, waterproof up to 30 metres. 1.5/2.0 inch LCD. I dare say it means 1.5 in one direction /2. Yeah, who knows. Multi-language. 900 mAh battery. Input output micro USB. Micro USB and micro SD card. Yeah, let's pull it out of the box and see what we get. There we have a camera and the case. A load of other gubbins. There we go. We have mounts. Yay, some other thing. Whatever that is. One of those. And a cable. And we have the camera itself. Now, getting this out of its enclosure with one-handed, probably going to be quite difficult. Yep, it is. Sorry guys, but I can't do this one-handed yet. Here it is. Here's our camera. It's very similar to one I've used before, actually. And yeah, for £12, I think it's going to be a winner. So we've got a button on there. That's mode, on, off, and mode. Select, which is okay. It's very light. Little plastic lens in there. But hey ho, it's £13, £12.99. So I'll have to see what it's like, and I'll get back to you on that one with some footage from it. See you later.